Hello everyone, I'm Ron. Welcome back to Graybeard's Garage. Sorry it's been a while since the last video come out. I've been dealing with some issues, I guess you could say health-wise, that have got to be squared away. I've got severe chronic migraines, and let's just say my treatment has wore off, and I'm doing my best to get it squared away. So hopefully that'll change here in the near future. I've got a little small project for you today. Nothing too serious. What I'm going to do is relocate the spare tire mount on my new trailer. Let me show you what I got going on here. This is a stake pocket mount that I had purchased for this trailer. The problem is when I mount it into the stake pocket here on the side, when you put the spare tire on it, the spare tire actually sticks out about right there, so about an inch past the outside of the fenders here, and that's a no-go. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to weld this mount on the front frame rail. I know this isn't a very big project, but right now the way I'm feeling, this is about all I can really do right now. So on that note, I'm going to get over here, strip the paint off where I need to get the welds done, get my welder set up, and see about going this. I'm not going to waste a whole lot of time on this one. It's going to be a relatively quick video. Once I get this welded on, then of course I'll let everything cool down, clean up the welds, and then I'm going to get it spray painted. And that's pretty much it for right now. I have a lot of things lined up for the near future. Bear with me. These migraines suck. Those of you that suffer from them know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the first decent day I've had in about a week and a half. So please bear with me. Thank you, and hope you like this one. Be sure to subscribe. Give this video a like if you really do like it. And I said, hope this is okay. Thanks. here's the end result with the tire mounted. Got it straight on the first try. Got it painted up. It's looking pretty good. Looks like it was meant to be there. It's going to be a lot more solid than what it was to begin with. A lot more secure. This way I'll be able to run me a cable lock or a chain over the trailer rail itself and secure my spare, or even possibly some locking lug nuts. I've got plenty of room. Everything worked out just fine. So thank you for joining me again. I hope this wasn't too boring of a little project, but it's something I needed to do. It's just the way it was designed, it stuck out way too far, wider than the trailer, and it was just too dangerous. You know, somebody come along and sideswipe it. So I decided to go ahead and mount it in the front like this. Hope you can make use of this. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a like. Please share it. Help me out to get noticed by others. Drop me a comment, good, bad, ugly, otherwise. Just try to be kind. All right, have a good one. Until next time, this is Graybeard.